Alright, so we got this carburetor. It's a Kohler carburetor off a little push mower, 22-inch blade push mower. I gotta fix this damn thing, and, you know, so what, fuck, okay. So what happened was, so this right here opens your throttle. Oh, there's a little cap, this little plastic cap goes right there. That spring sits on that cap. This opens your throttle up for the air. And this is your, you know, your choke throttle, I'm pretty sure. And it's leaking gas. I didn't clean the gas out of it. Alright. But, so what we need to do now is put a hot thingy on variable flamey thingy and pray no blow up. But yeah, I'm gonna try to melt that back on there. This piece right here broke. This is like the throttle cable. So the carb sits like this against the motor, like this against the motor. This is the out end. There's a throttle cable that goes through here, pulls that back. And then this is your choke, so, you know, it all works somehow. It's fucking magic to me until I get the time and give a fuck to look into it. But as of right now, I'm just cleaning it up as best as I can so I can get back to mowing. And I bought a new blade. So the reason that this blew up, I'm just gonna tell y'all while I clean this and fuck it up horribly. But the reason it fucked up is because I was mowing and I had it on the back of my truck, and I'm assuming y'all would assume what happened after that. Oh good, man, no bueno. Yeah, that some bitch fell right the fuck off. Son of a bitch. I don't need a new car, probably, hopefully, pretty good. The floats are down in here. I should drain that. Oh, I got a cup right here. You know what? Let's see. You know what? We'll just go like that right there. Lovely. Guess Earline. Take a sip of that later. It's probably gonna eat through that fucking cup. Oh yeah. I don't know if it will, but it might. It's definitely eating through my hand. I feel it. It smells delicious though. They could probably get things over in here just fucking getting fucked up on gasoline. It's alright. We ball. But it's not his business, I guess. I hope I don't ever have to do this again. Probably am, because it's gonna break definitely. How shitty and rough I fuck with that damn mower. I see a near future take apart. If I take apart again, I'll probably just fucking get rid of it. Though I did just get a new blade, so I'll probably just yank that blade off of it, get a new mower. This one, you know, I've seen better days. It's done its job. You know, I just want to clean it up good. It's gonna get real dirty anyways, but just clean it up, make it shiny for. Ah, shit. You son of a bitch, come here. Oh, yeah. Come on, get out of there. Come on, all of it. There you go. Okay, watch. I'm gonna fucking have it over my hands. It's gonna just go bleh and just spit it all out on me. Just get it cleaned up. This was a piece of motor, remember? I gave like $150 for it. It was pretty new, but they put these shitty plastic parts on it. Man, that's such a fucking scam, dude. Don't know why they just can't put metal pieces on it. I might have a metal throttle cable out there, maybe, but it's probably a very specific one. This one's probably very specific. So I got an old Taylor out there. It might have that same. Nah, that one's got a raised bracket. This one, not that one, this one. I'm trying to make this as unflammable as possible so I don't fucking burn the south side of my house off. Probably shouldn't have that gasoline in here. It'd probably evaporate, maybe.
that mess, ridiculous. I've been quiet. Well, I guess I thought it was it's gonna be a lot of editing. Probably just gonna speed through this. The fan in the background, but I'm putting shit sucks. I didn't have a stabby tool. I didn't have a knife though. It is a stabby tool. I can't love you anymore. I can't love you. No, I can't love you anymore.
Oh yeah, that just fucking ate that away. Just as I suspected it. Dude, that's crazy. I knew that was gonna happen, but that's still cool and crazy. So my desk is highly flammable right now. Probably should not be doing any sort of, you know, melting or trying to burn anything. So we're gonna figure out what the fuck we're gonna do with this. Okay, I guess that's coming outside with me. That gasoline would hurry up and evaporate. Alright, you go on there, you go on there, and now we're going outside. Okay, so she's completely fixed. That throttle's fixed. This should be fixed. So it opens. Let's see. That pulls that. Wait, is that? No, that's that. So that pulls that back. It should open the bottle, shouldn't it? I'm learning how this damn thing works as we go, so. Huh. How does this work? Me. Alright, so we're getting her kind of fixed. That tire needs to be, that wheel's going to need to be replaced soon. But yeah, we got this rebuilt. She opens and closes good. Just gotta get her bolted on and stuff, but still gotta get this exhaust cable put it back on the dead there. I'm gonna have to break that because it's still kind of fragile. Alrighty. Still ain't got the fuel line fixed back up. Spark plug's back in. Took the spark plug out. And cleaned it up. And now I just happened to forget how the fuck this thing goes on. I think it is probably